Namaste and welcome to Wealth Unlocked, a special episode by Esther Bhava, where we explore how ancient Vedic wisdom can transform your modern financial struggles into spiritual success stories. Now tell me, have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, the money just don't seem to stick? Maybe it comes, but it goes just as fast. Or maybe unexpected expenses show up right when you thought you were getting ahead. If you have been facing these kinds of patterns, don't worry. You are not alone and you are not powerless either. In today's episode, we are diving into a powerful spiritual practice that many people across the world, including right here in the US, are turning to for help. I'm talking about Homa rituals and how we at Astrobhava offer these sacred ceremonies online, yes, online, to help remove financial blocks and attract abundance. Let's begin. So what exactly is a Homa? A Homa is a sacred fire ritual from the Vedic tradition where offerings like ghee, herbs and mantras are offered into a consecrated fire. Each flame carries your prayers directly to the divine cosmic forces. Now, when done with specific intentions such as wealth, prosperity, or clearing debt, these rituals become powerful spiritual tools for shifting your financial energy. It is not just about money, it's about removing karmic and energetic blocks that might be standing between you and your success. Let me tell you about Sarah, a client from New York. She is a single mother who runs an Etsy business selling handmade jewelry. For months, she faced declining sales, unexpected tech glitches, and a sense of frustration that just won't go away. She reached out to Astrobhava after a friend recommended our online Homa for financial prosperity. We performed a customized Kubera Homa, Kuber being the Vedic deity of wealth, and within just a few weeks, Sarah noticed a shift. I did not just make more sales, she told us, I felt lighter. My creativity came back and I got an unexpected feature in a local magazine. Coincidence? Maybe. But if you have lived through spiritual transformation, you know there is no such thing as coincidence. At Astrobhava, we specialize in online Homa rituals designed for busy lives and global access. Whether you are in California, Texas, Toronto, or Dubai, we make sure the ritual is performed by expert Vedic priests in India while you join from wherever you are. You can watch it live or receive the recording, mantras, and detailed instructions after. And guess what? It's all personalized to your astrological chart and financial concern. Let's take another example of Ronnie, a software engineer from San Francisco. Despite earning well, he constantly faced investment losses and debts. We did a Lakshmi Narayan Homa with him. Post the ritual, not only did he recover a chunk of money from an old client, but his startup pitch also got funding approval. He messaged us saying, I did not just get lucky, I feel like my path finally opened up. Alright, before we wrap up, let's address some of the most common questions we receive. Firstly, I'm not in India. Will online Homa really work for me? Absolutely. Energy is not limited by geography. Just like your prayers can reach the divine from anywhere, the Homa's effect radiates across space. We have helped hundreds of clients in the US, UK, Canada, and beyond. How do I prepare for a financial Homa? Don't worry. We guide you every step of the way. Once you book a session with Astrobhava, we provide the puja date, mantra for chanting, a Zoom YouTube link, and even a small checklist if you'd like to participate actively. Is this safe? Do I need to be religious? Homas are spiritually universal. You don't need to follow a specific religion. All you need is an open heart and the willingness to align with the higher energies. It is completely safe and done by qualified ethical Vedic priests. So if you are tired of the same old financial cycles and ready for a deeper shift, let the sacred fire clear your path. Let divine energies support your growth. Let Astro Bhava unlock the wealth you were always meant to have. Visit us at astrobhava.com to book your online Homa for financial prosperity today. Your abundance isn't just waiting, it's calling. Until the next time, signing off from Astro Bhava's Wealth Unlocked, Om Shanti, Om Prosperity.